Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to this short video. Let me show you how to update the firmware on the 70Mai PRO Dashcam to the latest one released in June 2019, where we'll be able to see the GPS coordinates and the current speed when you play back your videos. This will work on the dashcam or even on your phone. It will only show the GPS coordinates when you play back the videos, not when you drive in real time. So guys, saying that, to update the firmware, you just need to connect your camera to your smartphone via Wi-Fi. Of course, you need to enable the Wi-Fi hotspot on the camera. Go into the 70Mai app and then you need to click your profile icon. Over there you'll see a small dot, meaning there's a new firmware update for your device. Click the device and you'll see, in this case I was running the 1.0.4. click that. It will check for firmware updates and it will give you the log of the newest firmware: parking, monitoring, sensitivity optimization, and the GPS speed alongside with the coordinates. Of course, this will work if you have the GPS module installed. Click that to download the latest firmware from the 70Mai servers, and your phone will start to download it straight away. Give it a few minutes depending on your network speed, and the firmware package will be downloaded to your phone. To push the upgrade to the camera, you just need to go back to the main menu, click connect to device, and you'll see a pop-up saying an update package is available. Push it to the camera, click push now again and again. It's just a warning saying the camera will stop recording. And that's it guys, the camera is pushing the firmware from your phone. Just need to sit back, relax, and enjoy the new firmware on your device. And that's it guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, hope it was helpful. Click the like button if it was, subscribe to the channel, it really helps. And guys, thank you for watching. I hope I can see you all in the next one.